Hello, welcome back. Maybe you're welcoming me back. I've been gone for a little bit, haven't been feeling well. But today, on this video, I'll be trying the Ding Dongs flavored popcorn by Hostess. So let's give this a try and see what it tastes like. I'd imagine it is, it's not going to be like the real thing, but we'll see if it even comes, how close it comes. That's what it looks like. I mean, minus not having the cream in the popcorn. I mean, they've tried their best to emulate what it would be like, but having the chocolate on there is nice. But I'm gonna give this a rating of a 6 on this particular. If you tried it, let me know what you think. If you like basic reviews, come to the right channel. That's all I pretty much do. Basic reviews. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Go out and try your Ding Dong flavored popcorn Hostess and let me know what you think.